Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 9 minus 5 parenthesis 9 minus 5. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. So mostly person can wrong this question. He can solve it as 9 minus 5 which is equal to 4 times 9 minus 5 which is equal to 4. Okay, now 4 times 4 which is equal to 16. But guys, this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So before in this expression we can solve parentheses. So I can write here 9 minus 5 parentheses 4, because 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Now here multiplication have higher priority than other operation. So 9 minus 5 times 4 which is equal to 20. 9 minus 20 which is equal to minus 11. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. And kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.